Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by addressing heat and state issues because they cause most FPS drops. First, move the Xbox to an open surface and clear vents. Dust builds up and throttles performance. Once done, power cycle the console by shutting down, unplugging for 10 to 20 seconds, then booting again to flush transient problems. Finally, check for system and game updates so you're not chasing a patched issue. Record when drops happen so you can correlate actions with results. Next, tackle network and storage because they affect online and streaming frame stability. You should test latency and NAT. If possible, plug in Ethernet or move closer to a 5 GHz router to cut packet loss. Then, free up space or migrate large games to an internal SSD or a high-speed external drive to avoid texture streaming stalls. Also, disable background uploads and consider turning off Instant On to reduce thermal load and network contention, so FPS becomes more consistent. Finally, refine settings and monitor to lock in improvements. Lower resolution scale or cap frame rate, disable HDR or VSync in-game to reduce GPU load, and make incremental changes rather than wide swings. Then enable overlays or use Xbox diagnostics to watch FPS and temperature trends so you know if throttling recurs. If you still see drops after these steps, clear the cache and consider a factory reset only as a last resort. If that fails, collect logs and contact support for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.